Racing just is started. We have Barkley first to show quickness at a start. Moving upon the outside is Charming Santi. Security Prince Whistler racing second less. While Hari ng Yambo is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Charming Santi, Barkley in second. Security Prince moving up Hari ng Yambo to take fourth. While Whistler now running at the tail of the field. And as they swing down the back, we have Charming Santi by about 4 lengths. Barkley in second. Security Prince remains in third. Hari ng Yambo is down in fourth. While Whistler is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Charming Santi. Barkley now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Hari ng Yambo now trying to get closer in third. Security Prince while Whistler is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Barkley now takes command. Down on the inside is Charming Santi. Hari ng Yambo remains in third. Security Prince and Whistler. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Barkley by about half length. Down on the inside is Charming Santi. Hari ng Yambo remains in third with about 150 meters more to run. We have Barkley by about 2 lengths. Hari ng Yambo is on the outside. Barkley, Hari ng Yambo is on the outside. Barkley, Hari ng Yambo. And finally it's going to be a close finish. Barkley, Hari ng Yambo. Then comes Charming Santi, Whistler and Security Prince.
Magandang pagtatapos. Close finish tayo between 1 and 2, 2 and 1. Mga kabayang